Yo, what's up mga ka-treasure? The month of February is officially ended. Join me as I have a quick recap of what treasure gems we acquire through that particular month. So, wag na nating patagalin to. Let's go and dig deep. Isa-isahin na natin kung ano yung mga treasure gems na nakuha natin. So, let's go and start with this particular item. Signed Funko keychain ni Manny Pacman Pacquiao. So, we acquired this through trade. And yung video neto is ayan, nandyan sa particular link na yan. Pakiclick na lang. This is also the picture where Manny Pacman Pacquiao signed the Funko keychain. So, napaka solid ng transaction natin na to. Pinilitan ko to with group of NBA cards and also yung quality, as I said, hindi na ganun ka-okay, pero yung pirma, it's still intact. That's what we are after in that trade. Second is, itong Pokemon card na to, galing pa to ng Japan. So, bigay ito, kasama nito, ng ating kumparing si paring Robert. So, shoutout sa iyo, Berto. Thank you nga pala sa mga regalo na binigay mo. And also, the next item that we have is this Jimmy Alapag custom signature card. Napaka-rare na itong item na to. Nakuha natin to sa auction, and as you can see, it's pretty much customized. Not only the card but the case as well. So napaka-kapal ng pinaglalagyan or ng protector. Yung pirma napaka-intact and napaka-detailed. Ito nyo naman yung cover, napaka-kapal. So, sealed yan, and also may screw for the lock ng ating Jimmy Alapag card. And for our next item, our first ever Tamiya, Broken Gigant, but I called him Red Demon. So, nabili natin to sa Glorieta, kasabay nung ating swap trade transaction for the Funko keychain. Hindi pa to ganun ka hindi pa to ganun ka ganda at kabilis and ka-upgrade. So, ang nabili ko lang dito is the motor and of course the basic kit plus yung kit niya for ayan yung mga nakikita nyong bakal na yan, pang pa-stable and iwas lipad sa racetrack. So basically, hindi pa yan talaga ganun kaganda. Wala pa yung other parts na gusto kong bilhin, like additional improved battery, also the wheel set. So hindi pa siya ganun stable. Pero yan, yung ating Broken Gigant na yan, ito-customize pa natin yan. And also, we will try to participate in some races. So, ito yung isa sa pinakabago rin ng month of February. Yung limited edition, glow in the dark, exclusive na Black Asta. So, medyo na-disappoint ako dito sa Funko Pop na to kasi hindi siya ganun ka-glow pagka pinailaw mo na siya. Not what I expected, pero again, Black Clover fan tayo. Okay na din, pero if I will choose between this and the Yuno Glow in the Dark, mas gusto ko yung Yuno. Pero okay na rin yan. Pwede na din. Then, the last item na meron tayo, hindi pa siya dumadating, pero hopefully dumating na siya. But overall, ito yung mga nakuha natin ng February. So, 3 good items yung meron dyan. And itong mga bigay ni paring Robert, talagang napaka-solid. And hopefully, itong month of March, makakuha tayo ng magaganda pang treasure gems. Bukod dito sa mga to. Pero, I don't know, medyo siguro aaralin muna natin bago tayo kumuha. But for me, this is the top item that we have for last month, followed by this Broken Gigant. Yan yung top 1 and top 2 for me. Kasi tignan nyo naman, napakaganda and napakaraming possibility na itong Tamiya na to. I will explore it more and hopefully we can participate in some race. Please support and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys later. See ya.